I'm Mellon. Good morning. Yes, I'm still with my pajamas. And sorry about the mess behind me. Today we are here because I found a hole in my skirt. That's my favorite skirt. When I found hole in something, I get a bit excited because it means that I can embroidery something. I don't know what to embroidery on it. Well, I know what to embroidery on it. And of course it will be a leaf, you know, and full of leaf, full of everywhere on my body and everywhere of my house. It's a very small hole. I don't know if you can see it. It's very small, so I can actually make a very small leaf that it will become little details of my skirt. I never embroidery of this kind of fabric, so I'm going to use silky, hoping that I won't ruin it anything. But before, let's choose the leaf. I think I will like something like that. Just with 2 or 3 colors. It's not a bad idea. What do you think? Mike, what do you think, baby? What do you think, mommy? What do you think? Do you think is it a good idea? Do you think is it a good idea? Yes, it will. Small and pretty. What do you think? I think it's enough. Now, someone in the comment asked me the number of the color and the brand, but I don't actually know because I buy it in Shein, and then my mother's buy some in Amazon, and my mother also buy me something in AliExpress, so I don't know the brand. I don't know. Sorry. Just figure it out without me because it's better. I'm not very good at it. Let's start embroidery. I fixed everything, so I will work a bit better with the fabric all in it. And then we have to just cover the hole. We will start with the darker one. I'm actually happy because I'm not very good with shade. So it's turned out pretty cute. Now I just have to iron it with something above because I don't want to ruin the skirt. And then I go to wash it very, very fast. And then we'll see if I actually covered the hole, because there is no hole anymore. I'm just scared that, you know, in the middle of the leaf, there is some stitches that fell apart when we take off the sticky stuff. Finger crossed. And let's see if it works. Let's iron it together, because if I ruin anything, you will be with me and you will see. So I will put something on top, just because we have to take off, the blue part, you know, that I draw with the pen. So let's try. Oh no, sorry, here. It's gone. I was waiting for this to put in the washing machine, so I can actually start the washing machine and open that. It came out with all the clothes and everything. It came out pretty good, so it always works. If it's not working with that, well, I don't know. Why something have to go bad? Like, I always do this. It's just because it's my favorite skirt that I'm nervous. But it's going to be everything, right? Like always. So we did it. It's dry now. Let's search. Where is? It's too small, I can't find it. Oh yeah, here. I see something green. And here we are. It's cute. I don't know if I should iron it again, but I don't think so. I think it's come out pretty good, so let's try it. Yes, I still have the pajamas. By the way, it's so small that you can't actually see it, but if you notice, it's pretty cute. I'm very happy about that. So happy. So now I actually hope that it gets some other hole so I can make other leaf. But yeah, it's pretty cute. Cute and small. I'm actually very happy. It's so cute. It's small and very, very cute. That's so cute as well. So happy. So goodbye, Mellon. See you next video.